Fusomatic bonding systems are taking friction welding into a new era of portability, controls, safety, and capability, providing the latest advancements in engineered fastening solutions technology. The Fusomatic bonding system solid-state rotary friction welding is an alternative to traditional welding that is quickly disrupting the industry by using controlled friction instead of flame or arc to safely join metals for engineered fasteners. Video link is not an activity to be taken lightly, especially in potentially combustible environments like maritime, shipping, oil and gas, manufacturing, and aerospace industries. Learn more about this new way to bond metals more safely and faster than traditional welding that uses a flame or arc to accomplish. The American Welding Society, AWS, recommends extensive precautions and preparation to prevent fires during welding activities, which can be time-consuming and expensive. Fusomatic bonding system friction welding technology protects industry operators from fires caused by heat, flame, or sparks. Sparks from welding and cutting metals can easily result in devastating fires for refineries, industrial plants, and shipyards, to name a few. The FBS is profoundly changing the way our customers approach their welding operations. Using this tool, repairs can be made without shutting down, draining, and cleaning oil and chemical storage tanks, pipelines, or dry docking water vessels, allowing operations to run uninterrupted, says John Griffin, president of Fusomatic Corporation. An unskilled technician with minimal training can use the FBS to weld an engineered fastener in 15 minutes or less. Welding fastener attachment points is now 4 times faster, with guaranteed joint integrity and no risk of sparks or flames that become ignition sources. Industry experts like Ernest D. Levert, Sr., a Lockheed Martin Fellow and former president of the American Welding Society, says about the technology, the Fusomatic bonding system is by far safer, faster, and more economical than other welding processes for specific materials joining applications. Fusomatic bonding solutions joins materials on the surface, underwater, and in outer space. Wherever high-strength, consistent bonding is required, Fusomatic should be on-site as a vital part of any operation. Fusomatic's mission to provide engineered solutions that will mitigate operational risks, pollution events, while saving lives and preventing injuries, while saving the end users millions of dollars in hard and soft costs in the process with its game-changing and disruptive technology. Fusomatic's revolutionary patent-pending solid-state rotary friction welding technology and derived machine tools that can be used onshore, topside, underwater, and in hazardous and explosive work environments with no surface prep or hot work permit requirements. Saves time, money, and lives with a portable and safe engineered fastening solution for bonding metals and composites together. The FBS is powered by compressed air, eliminating the need for hydraulic, oxygen, and acetylene or electrical components, and can be used in areas where flames and sparks are prohibited, such as in oil and gas facilities, pipelines, storage tanks and terminals, and areas where hazardous gases are present. The resulting weld joint integrity can be dialed in to be as strong as the parent metal and/or workpiece metals after being bonded. The system is man-portable, so technicians can easily transport the welding machine tool and peripheral components into compact areas or even underwater. The process, known as solid-state rotary friction welding, uses compressed air to forge two metals together to attach engineered, industrial fasteners made of similar or dissimilar materials to above water or underwater surfaces, facilitating construction, retrofits, and repairs in most all heavy industries. Portable friction bonding system advantages: substantial labor savings, significant cost savings, high production rates requiring less skilled labor achieves consistent, incredibly high strength bonding in a fraction of the time, no filler metals, fluxes, or gases needed, reliable welded joint integrity, precise and repeatable process, intrinsically safe, and can be used in hazardous or flammable environments. Joints dissimilar metal combinations, welded joint integrity is very reliable, environmentally friendly, no fumes or waste, repairs can be made without shutting down, safer, faster, and more economical than other welding processes, no risk of sparks or flames that become ignition sources. Industries that need Fusomatic and the Fusomatic value added propositions. Their markets can be summed up in one basket. Heavy industries. Heavy industries includes the 24-hour/7 days per week/365 days a year continuous operations in manufacturing, maintenance, and repair activities in the energy, maritime, inland marine, military, onshore and offshore, topsides and underwater markets, and even in outer space. They are bringing together and incorporating the latest elements in Industry 4.0, intelligent welding, AI, machine learning, robotics, big data, autonomous and remote operations. Their disruptive technology impacts the $142 billion welding machine and welding supplies market combined with the engineered and industrial fasteners markets. Corrosion management is a significant area where Fusamatic bonding system can make a significant impact on heavy industry. It is estimated that the corrosion market generates $2.5 trillion in cost spend worldwide, with costs upwards of 3 to 5% of U.S. GDP to mitigate. Any oil and gas refinery, petrochemical plant, offshore energy production platform, power plant, pulp and paper plant, pharmaceutical plant, ship repair, conversion, and modernization yard, or liquids and gas storage facilities, assets will suffer wear and tear over time due to corrosion and erosion, therefore compromising the integrity of the assets, which has significant direct and indirect costs to mitigate. Organizations that have corrosion management programs are recognizing the need to operate at the absolute lowest cost with the absolute highest reliability and safety standards. A sound technical corrosion control solution incorporating Fusamatic bonding systems will result in a positive ROI. Use of Fusamatic delivers immediate cost-effective repair, retrofit, and maintenance solutions to strengthen the integrity of the asset without the asset owner having to cease operations, and without the risk of causing an explosion if the activity occurs in a hazardous/explosive operating environment. Contact Fusamatic Corporation for a technology demonstration to see how this innovative portable friction welding system can change the way we weld engineered fasteners forever.